Ah, man, how in the world could it be so cold outside, but so hot in here? What's good, y'all? It's your man, Chris Briggs, back again with another video. As y'all already know, woo! Back with some heat, man. I've been scoping these bad boys out, honestly, for a little bit, bro. These just peeked on my radar one day. Walked into the handy dandy sneaker boutique, saw these boys just sitting there, and really thought about it for a while. Like, you know what? Should I cop these, bro? Is this really it? Is this it? And I came to the conclusion that, yeah, it was it. And I need them. Yes, listen, bro. I told you how it was, and that's how it was, bro. We got that Nike SB box right here in that purple. Yes, that handy dandy size 10, as you already know. Can't wear them without it. So, the shoe that I picked up, that I've been sniping for a little bit, but I lucked up on is... you already saw the Nike SB High Pineapples. Perfect. Yes. Don't we love this? Don't we love this? Just don't we love this? Look at that. Oh my goodness. Don't we love it? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Talk about the pineapples, okay? Nice. Look at these. This is why I'm targeting ones and dunks. Because look at the midsole. The midsole is so together. These are just looking absolutely clean. I'm gonna leave them like this for a little bit too. I don't think these should be worn for a little while. I don't have anything to say, bro, but just peep. These are called the Nike SB High Pineapple. You see the pineapple scheme? I mean, I see it. I'm definitely seeing SpongeBob's house. What about you? It's mad hot in here, bro. So for today's sneaker pickup, we have the Nike SB High Pineapple, and I'm sure you guys see why these boys are called the pineapple, because it absolutely definitely looks like SpongeBob's house. The whole upper is going to be in a suede, and it looks like over here is like a linen or like a canvas material, like a canvas upper matched with that nubuck. The inside is going to be in like a very light green, and that gives it more of that pineapple aesthetic too. And if you look towards the sole, we're just gonna have a nice normal yellow sole. Definitely happy to have these in a collection. Need more Nike SBs. Need more Nike SBs. Like I said, dunks and ones. Dunks and ones. Dunks. Here, he's all yours. Damn! Another thing that I just noticed too, that I didn't notice before, yay, other laces. So we want to even go a little bit more yellow. We can go a little bit more yellow. Oh, another thing that I didn't even notice, that I just now noticed is, check this out. The inside. Pineapple. Today's sneaker pickup was the Nike SB High Pineapple. Let me know how you feel about these. Were they dope? Were they trash? Put that in the comment section down below. More videos coming soon. More sneaker views. More sneaker pickups coming soon. And without further ado, blessings, blessings, blessings. And Chris Briggs. Nike SB High Pineapple. Wonderful. Signing out.